Now I will show you how to connect this pen tablet to our PC using the USB cable. Remove the pen, stylus pen, then where is the port here? You can see, no, this is the port, USB port. अरे यार, then connect to your laptop like this. Right. So once it is connected, a small light, I'm sorry, see this, a small light will be lit on the canvas of this graphic tablet. This is the small light. So we'll check whether it is functioning or not. See, you can see on my computer. So as I am drawing, the mouse is moving on the desktop in my computer. See, right now it is clicking and dragging. Mouse is moving. Oh, the taskbar moved to the right side. Okay, so other functions we will see. Two buttons are there. We will see what are these two buttons. If we press first button, what happens? What's this? Nothing is happening. Oh, this is clicking. This is left click. The first button is left click. If I click this left one and if I move my cursor, if I move my pen here, the cursor you see on the computer, it is selecting. Or you can say, I think I will draw in this corner. I see, you could see now. I will first click this one. This is like left click. I will place my pen on the tablet and then I will move this. Then automatically you see on the screen, it is selecting an area. Right? What is this right one? Right button. I will click and I will. Oh, the upper button is right click. The first button is left click. The upper button is. You can see it very closely now. It's not clear. Huh? Now we can see. Two buttons are there. This is the upper one. This is the lower one. This first one is for left click. This is for right click. It's very nice. Now we will download the drivers from Wacom website and then we will see. This is the tablet. You can see. If I put this on the screen here, how much width and height it is occupying. You see, it's a little bit smaller. The height is little bit smaller than my Dell laptop. Width is very small compared to this screen. My screen is 15.6 inch screen, laptop screen. So this is smaller than that one. You can see here. You can see how much area it is occupying. This is bigger than the keyboard area. Right? Now let us go to the computer and we will see installation and setting up mouse pointer, area, all those things.